Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Galore. Today I will be doing an eBay shopping haul review. So I went and bought a bunch of crap from eBay for my nails. Excuse these nails, I had to replace them. But I am doing stuff for nails now, stuff in my dorm and stuff like that. So I bought a bunch of nail things that I could utilize. So, you know, let's get this haul started. Okay, so let's start with this. What seems to be, well, nails. These I ordered some nails. I will leave everything in the description below. I'm gonna leave everything that I bought and linked in the description below. Oh my god, my eyebrows are fucked up. Wait, hold on. Oh my god. Okay, this is exciting. Y'all have been waiting. And mind you, all this stuff came like incredibly fast. I just ordered it and it just got here in like 2 days within me ordering it. So yeah, so happy. I didn't have any money. I'm a poor college student. Of course I don't have any money. Anyway, so I ordered these nails. Now they all come in different sizes and they're all in baggies, which is a blessing because it is so hard to find it's so hard to assort your nails when they're scattered together. So this is why I got this. This is amazing. Everything that I bought is being linked in the description below. Matter of fact, I'm changing the name of this video to Nail eBay Shopping Haul. Well, nail art, nail fashion, something. Anyway, so I honestly don't know what this is. I don't remember a bunch of stuff that I bought. Everything might not be for nails. This actually might be my GTA game that I bought. So let's see. Speaking of games, so I decided to buy a PlayStation from eBay for $50.
He needs some milk.
Like, actually, so I bought this game for $50, PlayStation 4, original launch, like a dumbass. But here's the thing, I was looking for a deal, so you can't blame me. You really can't. I mean, you probably do that. Well, you probably wouldn't. But anyway, I was looking for deals. You know, life happens. But luckily, I was able to dispute this with my with eBay and get my money back because, mind you, the seller didn't even. I know this doesn't come as a surprise. Don't rub it in. Anyway, but the seller, yeah, here it is, GTA 5. But yeah, this is a pretty hefty package. Anyway. So the seller didn't even email me back. They did not bother. Like, dude took my money and jetted. I'm like, okay, if that's how you gonna be, okay. Okay, anyway, so, I'm sorry, my laptop doing something weird. I got music playing on my TV. I'm in a good mood because I finally got all my stuff. I'm in a good mood, not letting none of these bitches shut me down. Anyway, back to our haul review, unboxing. Unpackaging, because ain't none of this shit in boxes. Let me just get my scissors to make my life so much easier. I'm about to sneeze. Okay, so hopefully I don't get copyrighted for playing music in the background. Look, I don't care. Oh my god! Dude, something else came. This is crazy. I ordered these from Wish, right? Now, let me tell you something about Wish. If you're ordering something from Wish, order a month in advance. And at least if you're planning on going in on a trip in February, order your stuff in January. The very beginning, the first day of January, order your stuff. They will take all year to ship your stuff if they want to. You know, they don't give a damn. So while we're at it, open it up. I think this is the only pair I got. I ordered about 8, maybe. Ordered about, yeah, 8 pairs of, dang, I'm about to break them already. I ordered about 8 pairs of these, so, don't know what this is either, gosh. I honestly don't know, I've just been ordering stuff, to be honest, but stuff I thought was important. And I will be doing a testing on each and every one of these things in my videos, in my future videos that I make with them, so make sure you stay tuned for that if you're interested. Okay, here's my Sally Hansen, vitamin E nail cuticle oil. Nail cuticle oil. Okay, we got some cuticle oil. Okay, so I'll be using these. I'll be looking at all fancy nail videos and they be using cuticle oil. So here we go. Sally Hansen cuticle oil. Again, you have to excuse my nails. I was doing a redo because I don't like messy nails, but
He needs some milk.
Bruh, my nail, this day can't get any worse. Anyway, so let's keep it going. Let me see. Okay, so we got our Sally Hansen, vitamin E cuticle oil. So here we are. This is what it looks like. Beads. Why do they have to package it like this? Come on, man. Give me a box at least. Y'all just don't give a damn. Okay. Don't want you to first class my ass. Okay, so yeah. Let me see. Okay, well we got, yes. Wow, these are much smaller than I expected. Wow. See, now let me show y'all this ratchet ass picture that I got of these beads, right? The picture that I got had bigger beads. Don't trust eBay. Oh, matter of fact, and mind you, that was from America. That was not from no China or nothing. That was straight from America. Anyway, only in America. Anyway, so let me go about my life. I really don't want to cut anything I wasn't supposed to be cutting, so yeah, time it. You needed all of this for this? They needed all of this for this? No words. Anyway, this is a cuticle pusher. Cuticle pusher by, what was it? Utopia Care. Yeah, Utopia Care. It's a cuticle pusher. Obviously just push back your cuticles and to clean up any cuticle on the edges, but this side, stuff like that. Yeah, it's fancy. Okay, let's move on to our next package. Damn! Next package. This video is already long. I'm trying to hurry up because I honestly hate editing. Let me just be quite frank. I don't like anything like that. Like, it's not the funnest thing you could do. But, you know, it's fun when you make it fun, I guess. But, yeah. So, let me see. Hi, Keith. It's from Mia Secret. Mia Secret monomer. I don't, what's it, 4 ounces? 4 ounces. This is what this is what it looks like. Bottle fits in my hand like this. I honestly don't mind. This was $13, y'all. I was honestly hoping for something bigger, but you know what? It's whatever. They're gonna keep getting over on my ass because I'm gonna keep buying. Anyways, so, well, it depends on how well they are. Look how they tape the, okay. This is how y'all, I mean, I understand it's spill proof, but still, come on now. Be more professional. You don't gotta just slap some tape on there. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm not gonna say nothing. Okay? Not gonna say nothing. Yeah, monomer. Great. So happy about that. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Watch this be something completely not suited for this package. Kielonski brush for nails. This brush was at the price of $12. Expensive brush. Okay? $12 for this tube right here. But you know, nail things are expensive. If you ever want to go into a nail business, make sure you are fully dedicated, because otherwise you're just going to be spending a bunch of money on a bunch of stuff that you can't even use. So, yeah. Make sure you're committed with that, because it's expensive. It's not cheap. Wow, this is tiny. What did I spend for this? $11? Wow, I spent $11 for this teeny little Mia Secret. But you know what? Okay. Like I said, nail products are expensive. The good ones are expensive. Anyway, I heard Mia Secret is better than Kiss. Well, of course, it's not Kiss, but I mean, Kiss is alright. Kiss is great for starters, but you know, once you want to get to a better level in your game, then I do not advise that you stick with Kiss box. Hopefully, it doesn't disappoint me. Hold on, I just got something delivered today. I'm finally pleased with something. Look, So look, this is what I ordered. They are nail designs. You put them down on your nail. You put them down on your nail. I'm not trying to offend anybody who is of any, I'm sorry, Mediterranean, Chinese descent. I'm not trying to offend y'all. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I just thought it was funny. Anyway, this is, oh my god. I've been waiting so long. Well, I mean, it hasn't been that long, but you know how it is waiting for your stuff. This is cute. Look at these. Okay, so we got some pearls up in there. Let me try to take them out so I can show y'all all these. Okay, this is so, oh my god, this was actually pretty cheap. This was what? How much was this? These were not that much money. They come in little containers like these. Hi guys, so today I will be continuing our unboxing that we started the other day for the nail the nail shipment tutorial boxing, whatever I called it the other day. We're going to be continuing that right now, so stay tuned for that. So we'll be starting with the biggest package. I'm just going to get into opening this. We're going to speed this part up. So, yeah. So, oh, snap, look at that. Remember those Wish glasses I was talking about the other day? So, it's like all of them have came. They stuck them all here, purple, clear. Wow, it took a whole month for this, y'all. I'm telling y'all, order in advance for Wish. Order a month in advance. Green. These are really nice. I'm not trying my long too. Red, which is really what I was dying for. I was dying for those. I'm wearing them today too. Okay, pink, and there's no cover for this one. It's just in there. So, yeah, we're gonna just go with it. Let me try this on. Let me try these on. Yes, if anybody's wondering, I did these myself. And I will be doing videos on them for beginners. Since I am a beginner myself, I'll be able to relate to you more because I'll be looking at all these advanced videos. I'll be feeling the same way, all anxious. Anyway, so here's what the pink ones look like. These are cute. I like them. They give a nice little vibe. Let's check out the red ones. Wow, these are some real nice glasses. I'm so happy. Oh, these are so dark. I wish you could see through these. These are dark. I can't even see them on my face. I can. Wow, these are dark. That gets red for real. Oh my, this is nice. Oh my god, I'm so excited about these because I've been waiting for these for I don't know how long. I've been waiting for these. At least a month and 30 days. Well, basically 2 months. Well, not even 2 months. Maybe I ordered these April 4th, and today is April 29th, and they're here. That's crazy, but these are green. I like these too. So, yeah, we're going to. Oh, it's not giving me that one. Anyway, so these. Sorry, kid. These are the purple ones they have. Oh, these give me, yes, this is a nice vibe too. It's nice. I like these, yeah. They look a little clear though. You can't really see the color in them, the definition, but yeah, it's there. I really don't know which pair to wear today. I ordered all of them. So, yeah. I know these have nothing to do with nails like the other previous items, but these are clear. I'm not sure when I'm gonna wear these because, yeah, but I'll find an outfit. Trust me, I will find one. This is the clear. So, yeah, we're moving on to the next package. I think this is my other pair of glasses that I was talking about last time. I ordered 2 pairs of these. These were the first pair if you missed them, which you shouldn't have because that was the beginning of the video. But these are the first pair. I'm going to put these on again. So these look like. I've been wearing them for a while since I got them. Oh my gosh. I got my glasses back, y'all. I don't remember the last time I wore my glasses back in high school before my niece and nephew eventually, when he came along, started breaking them. Wow, here they are. Great. These are the yellow ones. I am in love with the yellow ones. The yellow and the this is actually red, I think. I think this is red, but it looks pink. Anyway, I've been waiting for these. These are kind of bent. I'm guessing due to packaging. Just want to bend the back in place. The material is malleable, so you know we can work around it. Look at that. Okay. Okay. It's been a while. It's been a long time since I had a pair of these, and I'm so happy that I got all my glasses before I left. Anyway, let's move on to this last package, which I think has something to do with nails. I'm pretty sure these are actually the forms. Well, there might be something else. Yeah, there might be something else. Either that or they left it. Oh, never mind. There's another. No, there's not. Never mind. Well, hopefully, let's see what this is. Okay, these are the forms. Okay, these are the forms I ordered. These are the extension forms to make these nails right here. But these are shorter than what this can do. This can do, if you watch the channel long hair pretty nails, she uses these all the time, and that's where I got the inspiration to get these from, because I was like, girl, I'm trying to be like you. So yeah, I'm gonna try to tag her channel below. They have, oh wow, and this came with it. This is actually this is nail art, professional nail art. Basically, it's like, I guess you peel it around your nail. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna see how that works when we get there. But anyway, that's gonna be the end of my unboxing video from all my stuff from eBay, since I believe I got everything today. Well, I didn't get everything, but I'm not about to keep doing pieces of this video. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for more beauty galore.